So now we're going to talk about the even and odd properties of trigonometric functions. So even means that we're symmetric about the x-axis, and odd means that we're symmetric about the origin. So first let's look at sine of an angle t. Okay. And then let's look at sine of negative t. So remember that if we go around t, then going around negative t is the same distance but going clockwise. So what is the value of sine of t if t is pi over 3? Well, we get square root of 3 over 2. And sine of negative t is negative square root of 3 over 2. And if you look at if we did this, made t each one of these values, we would find that sine of t is always equal to negative sine of negative t. Or we can rewrite this as negative sine of t equals sine of negative t. And if you remember, this means a function is odd because negative f of x equals f of negative x. So that means we're symmetric about the origin. Next, let's talk about cosine. Okay. So cosine of an angle t. So if we go around t, and then we go around negative t, cosine of negative t, let's say that that's pi over 4. So we get square root of 2 over 2, and negative t we get square root of 2 over 2. And if we checked each one of these values going around and matched up the t and the negative t distance, we would find that these are always equal. That cosine of t always equals cosine of negative t. And that means that we're symmetric about the y-axis. And if you remember, that means that f of x equals f of negative x. So we know now that negative sine of t equals sine of negative t, and cosine of t equals cosine of negative t.